Hi, this is Bob Mitchie, co-founder of Metro MSP and author of the 12 Little Known Facts Every Business Owner Must Know About Data Backup, Security, and Disaster Recovery. In this short video, I'm going to quickly explain what cloud computing is and why millions of small business owners like you are trading in their outdated traditional computer networks for the simplicity, flexibility, lower costs of cloud computing. I'm also going to invite you to learn more about a new cloud computing solution we're offering that is the easiest way to gain a fast, up-to-date, problem-free computer network without having to write a big cash-draining check for the purchase, installation, support of a new server, PCs, software upgrades, and other costs of refreshing your slow, outdated computer networks. In fact, you'll be particularly interested in this service if you need to upgrade your computer network within the next 6 months and are dreading the big outlay of cash for a new server, software, or PCs, want to eliminate or reduce the high monthly costs of backing up and storing your data off-site, want instant disaster recovery, a higher level of security for your data, less downtime, problems, and interruptions, want the freedom to work from anywhere on any device at any time. But first, please allow me to introduce myself. I'm Bob Mitchie, co-founder of Metro MSP, which was created to bring enterprise-class services to small and medium-sized clients at an affordable price. Our team's been supporting New Jersey clients for over 10 years. Our clients rely on us to make their computers, phones, printers, and all things digital just work. Plus, we stand behind all our services with a money-back guarantee. Now, let me answer the number one question we've been getting, which is, what is cloud computing? Whether you realize it or not, you're already using cloud computing on a daily basis. For example, Google is a cloud application. As long as you have an internet connection, you can go to Google and search through billions of websites in seconds. You can instantly use all the features, applications, and tools available. You can get directions, check your email, watch videos, market your business, and find information on just about anyone and anything. And Google delivers all of this through a simple web browser, giving you the ability to access these tools and applications and resources through any device, anywhere, at any time. In fact, if you wanted to host and maintain the software and data to perform Google's functions in-house, it would be impossible. But since the computing power required to run and deliver those tools to you is hosted by Google, you can access those tools with a super cheap, stripped-down laptop or other device and still get the same experience without the heavy costs. So what does this mean to you as a business owner? Cloud computing is simply internet-based computing where shared resources such as servers, data hosting, firewalls, email, Microsoft Office, and other applications are provided to you like a utility in the same way electricity or water is. Like a utility, the total cost, maintenance, support of delivering these resources is owned by your cloud provider, so you don't have to purchase, install, and support your own in-house computer network, eliminating the need for you to constantly shell out money to install, maintain, and upgrade expensive servers, software, and other resources in-house, greatly simplifying IT for your company. All you need is an internet connection, and you've instantly got access to your desktop, email, files, and everything else you need to work just like you do now, with the added benefits of instant disaster recovery. If your laptop or PC crashes, gets destroyed, lost, or stops working for any reason, you can simply log onto your desktop in the cloud using a different device or PC, and you're back up and running again in minutes versus hours, days, or even weeks. This also means that even if your office were completely destroyed by a fire, flood, or other natural disaster, or if your server crashed due to a hardware failure or virus, you're safe. You would not have to suffer through the agony of losing data or being down for days or weeks while your server and workstations were being rebuilt from a backup. The ability to work anywhere, anytime, on any device. When your network and desktop is in the cloud, you can easily work remotely while traveling, from home, or in a different office using whatever device you enjoy the most, be it a Windows PC, a Mac, an iPad, or a tablet. Plus, problems get fixed in minutes instead of days. Because we store an image of your desktop in the cloud, if a problem arises on your local machine, we can restore the last working version to you in minutes, dramatically reducing the need for us to send a technician to your office and the time it takes to make repairs. Plus, any new features and updates are instantly available to you without paying extra for it. further reducing problems that can arise from old outdated hardware and software, missed security updates, and overburdened IT systems. Which brings me to the point of this video. Over the last 2 years, I've been diligently researching and testing various cloud solutions to bring to our clients. I personally road tested and put through the ringer over 20 different cloud solutions, including Office 365, Google Apps, Amazon's Cloud, and dozens of other small business cloud services. I've attended over 16 technology events, seminars, and trade shows all over the country, and spent countless hours talking to dozens of other professional IT consulting firms, searching for the perfect cloud solution to bring to my clients. One that would deliver lowered IT costs, simplicity in IT, and instant disaster recovery. One that would free you to work remotely or from any device and eliminate a number of problems and limitations you might be experiencing now with your current computer network. And one that would ultimately just work the way you want it to, and the good news is, we found it. We're calling the new service Metro Cloud 9, and based on our feedback we've already received from a number of our early adapter clients, it's the easiest way to gain a fast, up-to-date, problem-free computer network that just works, while delivering a much higher level of data security, disaster recovery, speed, simplicity, and flexibility, without costing a small fortune. But don't just take my word for it, just look at what our clients have been saying. Dennis Miller of DC Miller Associates. I trust Metro MSP and respect them for their professional expertise and integrity. Working with Metro MSP has been the best support our firm has had. I highly recommend them. And Michael Sheehan of Acorn Home Improvements. I estimate we save close to $5,500 in hardware, backups, and other IT expenses by moving to the cloud. I love the peace of mind I have about our data and network always being available no matter what. At this point, you may be asking yourself a few questions such as, will it really save me any money on IT? What if the internet goes down? Where is my data and who has access to it? Are there any risks? Will it actually work for me? These are excellent questions and you need to get straight answers to before moving your network to the cloud. And in fact, I want to caution you, cloud computing is not right for everyone. And if you want to make absolutely certain everything will work exactly the way you expect it to, without any unpleasant surprises or problems that could end up costing you big, that's why I'd like to offer you a free cloud readiness assessment. At no cost or obligation to you, I'll come to your office and conduct a 27-point assessment of your current computer network, internet connection, applications, and workflow. We'll also create for you a TCO, a total cost of ownership report that will reveal what you're spending on IT right now so you can make smarter decisions about your IT spending. For most folks, this report's a real eye-opener. We find that most business owners don't realize what IT is truly costing them when all expenses are taken into account. We'll also look into any slowness, conflicts, or problems you're having, check your current backups, network security, and overall computer network health. When done, this assessment will give you the facts and the information you need, including the pros and the cons, and arm you with the facts you need to make a good decision about moving all or parts of your computer network to the cloud. Why free? That's because it's the way I would want to be treated if I were in your shoes. I want to give you an easy way to evaluate cloud computing and get your questions answered, based on your current situation and your unique business, the software you use, and the way you like to work, without having to pay to get some simple answers and without heavy sales pressure or a one-size-fits-all approach. In the end, you'll know if cloud computing is right for you or not based on your unique situation. It's that simple. So here's what you need to do now. Look below this video right now. Simply fill in the form you see there to claim your free cloud readiness assessment. As soon as you complete the form, you'll also gain instant access to a free report I created called 5 Critical Facts Every Business Owner Must Know Before Moving Their Computer Network to the Cloud. This report will answer some of the most common questions you have about cloud computing and give you the facts and information about moving your business network to the cloud that most IT consultants don't know or won't tell you. And if you're not quite ready to talk to us or make any decisions, simply indicate that on the form below, and you'll still gain instant access to the report without having to talk to anyone. So let's make sure you really get what you want. Lowered IT costs, instant disaster recovery, the convenience of being able to work from anywhere on any device, everything in IT simplified, and ultimately a fast, problem-free computer network that just works. All you have to do now is fill in the form below to get started. If you have any other questions for me, send me an email or call me. I'd love to hear from you. My contact information is below. Thanks, and have a great day.